All right, cool. So is everyone here in the Aerospace NU drive? If you're not, I think just send your email to Arun and he will take care of this. But basically, here's our Google Drive folder for the club. Everything is in here, and I'm just going to show you guys where our project is. So if you go into projects, fall 2020, intro, propulsion, here's everything that you're going to need for this class, and everything, all of the work that we're going to be doing is out of this folder. So you guys are going to set up each a folder for every group in this designs folder. And that's where you guys are going to have all your like Excel spreadsheets with your calculations and stuff, and upload PowerPoints with screenshots of CAD and stuff.
I don't know if this is happening to anyone else, but for me, all the folders in Aerospace NU seems to be empty.
Interesting. You said all the folders are empty?
Oh wait, no, never mind. They're back now. I don't know what happened.
Cool.
Wait. No, it seems like most of them are empty. The only one that seems to actually have anything in there are the safety and the treasury folders.
The what folders?
The safety folder and the treasury folder.
Interesting. Hold on.
Everything else just seems to be empty. But let me try. Yeah.
I don't know. Arun, do you want to?
It's possible that the stuff's not shared properly.
It could be.
I shared the entire overall Aerospace NU drive with everyone that responded to that Google form. So that should have just gone through.
Yeah, I mean, for tonight, you guys don't need to do anything in here. I was just showing this to everyone. So if you want to, after the meeting, talk to either me or Arun, we can help you figure that out.
Thanks.
All right. So yeah, all of our PowerPoints and the recordings of the lectures are going to be in the lessons folder. Obviously, recordings are in this recording folder. Here's the one from yesterday or Tuesday. Here's the PowerPoint from Tuesday. Going to gradually be putting more of the PowerPoints in here as we finish updating them from the summer. So if you want to look ahead, you can. Yeah, and then resources folder. We have a few textbooks and other stuff in here that pretty much all of the equations and math and everything you're seeing in our PowerPoints came from these. All right, good to know that it's working now. So yeah, we have the two main textbooks, or the one main textbook. I think I don't remember who it was that found it, but Rocket Propulsion Elements, George Sutton, is what we call an LRE, the Liquid Rocket Bible. Most of the math and equations that we use came from this textbook, but it is quite dense. It's hard to understand if you have no background in thermo and fluids and stuff, which is part of the reason, or a lot of the reason we're teaching this class. So I went through and wrote a brief overview of RPE and everything that's important to rockets on our scale. Everything in this is going to be covered in the lectures. You don't have to read this. If you go to all the lectures and everything, you'll be fine. But this just goes into a little bit more detail, I think. So if you want some outside knowledge to expand on the lectures and stuff, you can go ahead and read this. Don't feel like you have to. But just know that it's here, along with the rocket propulsion elements and another textbook that I got most of the engine cooling math from, Huzelin Huang. And then this one, how to design, build, and test small liquid rocket engines, is also a simpler version of RPE. If someone with a little more background in fluids and thermo, some of the upperclassmen want to take a look at that one. The Google Doc, this one, most of it was written by me and then some of our other members on the project. Like, I think Arun edited this, one of our alumni who just graduated, and Ethan, who is not involved with intro despite me asking him to be. But yeah, so this was written by club members and hopefully is digestible by freshmen with no prior experience in rocketry. All right. Yeah, no problem. Okay. So now that I've shown you guys the Google Drive, I know some of you have already started making groups. So this stupid bar is in my way. No. I will put the link to this spreadsheet into the chat, and I guess go ahead and put your name, what year you are, and I guess we'll figure out something to make sure everyone doesn't use the same.
Just make a second sheet in the workbook, and can just put your names down like column by column. Each column is a group if you already have a group.
Okay. Yeah, why don't I do that? So first of all, Control C. So here's this Google Doc. So first sheet, anyone who is not in a group right now. Second sheet will be people who are in a group. So you see, just, put your names in going this way. And then, yep.
To clarify, Jackson, are we making each row a group or each column a group on the second sheet?
Second sheet, each row is going to be a group.
Okay.
All right. Oh, and actually, I don't think Marisol, our third intro mentor, was not at the meeting on Tuesday. So if you just want to introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm Marisol. I'm a third year chemi. I've been with the club for a year, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah, all right, thanks, Marisol. I don't know. Do we want to have people come up with team names?
Well, of course.
Yeah.
Of course, we need team names.
Yeah. Okay, so if you guys have a group, you can also go into the designs folder and make a folder with your team name. Just do that.
If you don't want to name your team, at least come up with a fun name for your engine.
Yes, yeah.
Because I'm not going to go through and say Team One's engine for fucking all of them.
Yeah, I know. Like, I mean, the IPA GOX and Methylox engines were kind of boringly named, but
Yeah, region's slightly better.
Regen as a name is slightly better. We also have another name we call Regen is Oro, short for Ouroboros. The snake eating its own tail, regenerative, kind of a fun little thing. So other than this,
So are you guys making the groups, or are we supposed to like create our own groups at this stage? What's happening here?
oh yeah,
You
yeah.
are welcome to create your own group. If you don't, we'll toss you somewhere.
Yeah, so this first sheet is going to be people that we'll assign into groups if you don't have one yet, and the second sheet is if you already have a group, just put your names in here.
The reason we're asking for year again is we are trying to have at least one upperclassman in each group, so that they have taken some of the classes.
Yeah, because I mean, you don't have to have any prior knowledge in mechanical engineering, but it is certainly helpful if you do. But again, if you don't worry about that. We'll help you, teach you everything you need to know, and help you out if you have any questions.
So if we're on the first page and we don't have a group yet, can we just put our names on the second page and then people put their names next to it and stuff?
Oh yeah, sure, you can do that.
Innovation that excites.
Yep. I guess I don't really need to be sharing this anymore. And everyone was able to access this sheet, right? No one's sitting there in the meeting not having access to this. All right. And then I think that's pretty much everything we wanted to do this meeting. Pretty short this time. Next week on Tuesday, we're gonna get into some of our quote unquote requirements, like design requirements for your engines, and teach you guys about some of the parameters to start picking from. And then next Thursday will be a working session. I think this week I wanted to test out the breakout rooms on Zoom. So next week we'll have this Zoom meeting and then put all the groups into their breakout rooms, and you guys can start working together on your engine designs. So I take a group that started. Let's see if I can put you guys in a breakout room. Oh, actually, I can just do one and let you guys pick. I think.
Are there duplicates on there? It looks like in the third row there's.
All right, does everyone see the breakout room?
I don't see a breakout room.
Okay. So if I do, oh no, that's to message each of the rooms. Interesting. So I made a room that you guys can all join yourselves, I think, but you guys can't see any rooms that you can join.
Is that column a separate group?
Hmm? Oh boy.
Yeah, I don't see anything, Jackson.
Okay, interesting. Let me try this again.
Wait, sorry.
I
So
don't think we
how
can
many?
self-sort to our rooms. I think you have to assign us to a room.
Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. It looks like there was an option where you guys could pick your own, but I don't think it works like that.
Too good to be true.
Okay, what do Oh, I can assign people.
So sorry, how many people should it be per team? Is it 4 or 5?
We originally were thinking 3 to 4. I think
Yeah.
5. What do you think?
There's duplicates because I messed up and I was
Okay.
going by columns instead of rows.
Okay.
I think 5 is getting a bit much for
Yeah,
this.
probably. All right, I'm going to put the first group into a room. So if you get booted from this, don't worry. Ooh. Okay. Interesting. Okay. I don't know if I do that. Oh. Interesting. All right, Arun, I'm gonna put you in a room. Not joined. Did Arun get-
I just got back. What am I doing?
Oh,
I
I
just
put you into. Okay, okay.
I was reading the Zoom Help Center, and actually you can self-select breakout rooms, but you need to be on the desktop client.
Okay. Also, Arun, I just put you into the room named Team 1, but obviously you're still here, so.
Well, I can. It's give me the option to join. I can go join, but
There's no join. Wait. Hold on, I'm gonna move you to room 2. Oh, now you're. Whoops. Okay, okay. I see. Arun, back.
that went well.
Okay. All right, cool. I think I know how to use the breakout rooms. Arun, we can try to play around with this more later. But I think that's it for tonight's meeting. Again, I said this is pretty short. I'll stay on for a few more minutes to answer any questions that anyone has, but other than that, I guess meeting adjourned.
If you don't have a group, we'll probably assign it. Realistically, not tonight.
Yeah, probably tomorrow or this weekend.
See you all on Tuesday.
right.
Thank you.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Before everybody goes, oh, everybody already left. Never mind.
Right.
I was gonna ask for contact info.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we'll do that on Tuesday.
I also think if we look in the sheet, we can just add each other on Discord and find each other that way.
Yeah, but to make group chats, you had to be friends on Discord, and people don't know that.
So it'd be really cool if we had a messaging platform that was, I don't know, meant for projects and productivity.
You mean like Slack, which we used to run on? Until we,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh boy,
Believe me, we are on the same page on that.
the Slack days.
You could make a Microsoft Teams.
No. No.